In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Fortnite Split Screen on your Xbox One or Xbox S or Xbox Series X and S. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, split screen here in Fortnite on an Xbox is actually super easy to set up. There are a few, couple important requirements though. Essentially, launch Fortnite, load in the main lobby, and once you're in the main lobby on your main account, you're going to see a prompt on the screen that says something like player 2, press A to join if you have your second controller already on. If you don't, turn your second controller on and then you'll see this. Essentially, hit A to join on that second controller, and you have to sign into a separate Xbox account. You can't use like a guest account since Fortnite isn't online a game. And if you don't already have a second account, you could select add new and go through the steps to create one. But once that account is signed in on the second controller, go back to the Fortnite lobby, and on that second controller, press A where you see, the prompt to join. And after a moment, the second player should appear in your lobby just like that. Now, for some reason it doesn't connect right away, try restarting Fortnite and repeating the steps. That usually fixes any minor syncing issues, but that is it. That is how you can play Fortnite Split Screen here on an Xbox One, Xbox S, Xbox Series X or S. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.